How to use Temu without credit card. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use Temu without credit card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can create an account on Temu using our link down there in the video description below. So make sure to follow all of our links since some of them have bonus rewards if you open them and signing up for an account. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the website, you can just sign up for an account by clicking this button on the top right. So after clicking them, just sign in with your Google account, whatever you want to do. And after signing in with your account, you can now purchase anything you want to purchase. So for example, I'm going to purchase this type of products right here. So let me choose this one, and I'm just going to add this to my cart, of course. And after adding this in my cart, I can just go directly into checkout. So I'm going to check out this item, and as you can see, I need to input all of my shipping address first. And after I input my shipping address, I can continue to payment. And as you can see, there are a bunch of payment methods that you can use beside your credit card. So you can just choose whatever you want. For example, I can just choose Gcash instead of card or PayPal. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use Temu without credit card because they have a lot of payment methods available. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.